Welcome to GN Virtual Classes. In this lesson, you are going to understand what is consumer behavior. This lesson is for commerce and economics undergraduate students. Consumer behavior refers to the study of how individuals, groups, or organizations make decisions about purchasing, using, and disposing of goods and services. It's a multidisciplinary field that incorporates elements from psychology, sociology, anthropology, economics, and marketing. When explaining this concept to undergraduate students, it's important to break it down into key components. 1. Definition and importance. Consumer behavior is the process by which consumers identify their needs, search for solutions, make purchase decisions, and evaluate the outcomes. Importance. Understanding consumer behavior helps businesses tailor their products, services, and marketing strategies to meet consumer needs and preferences. It also helps in predicting market trends and influencing consumer decisions. 2. The decision-making process. Problem recognition. The consumer realizes they have a need or problem that requires satisfaction, example hunger, boredom, need for a new phone. Information search. Consumers gather information about possible solutions. This could involve online research, asking friends, or recalling past experiences. Evaluation of alternatives. Consumers compare different products or services, considering factors like price, quality, brand reputation, and features. Purchase decision. The consumer chooses a product and makes the purchase. Post-purchase behavior. After the purchase, consumers evaluate their satisfaction. Positive experiences may lead to brand loyalty, while negative experiences could result in returns or complaints. 3. Factors influencing consumer behavior. Psychological factors. These include motivation, perception, learning, beliefs, and attitudes. For example, a consumer's perception of a brand can greatly influence their buying decisions. Social factors. Family, friends, social media, and cultural influences play a significant role. For instance, peer pressure can influence a teenager's choice of clothing. Personal factors. Age, occupation, lifestyle, economic situation, and personality all affect consumer choices. A young professional might prefer trendy, high-tech gadgets, while an older adult might prioritize simplicity and functionality. Cultural factors, cultural norms, values, and traditions impact consumer preferences and behaviors. For example, dietary habits differ across cultures, influencing food purchases. 4. Consumer roles. Initiator, the person who first suggests the idea of buying the product. Influencer, the person whose opinion or advice influences the decision. Decider, the individual who ultimately makes the buying decision. Buyer, the person who physically purchases the product. User, the person who actually uses the product or service. 5. Consumer behavior models. Economic model suggests that consumers are rational and aim to maximize their utility, satisfaction, based on their income and the price of goods. Psychological model focuses on internal factors like motivation and perception, emphasizing the non-rational aspects of decision-making. Sociocultural model highlights the influence of society and culture on consumer behavior. Personal consumer model combines elements from various models, emphasizing that consumer behavior is complex and influenced by multiple factors. 6. Applications in marketing. Product development. Insights into consumer behavior help companies design products that better meet consumer needs. Pricing strategy. Understanding price sensitivity and value perception helps in setting competitive prices. Promotion. Tailoring advertising and promotions to resonate with the target audience. Distribution channels, deciding where to sell products to make them easily accessible to consumers. 7. Consumer behavior in the digital age. The rise of e-commerce and social media has transformed consumer behavior, with online reviews, influencer marketing, and personalized ads playing a crucial role in decision making. Understanding how consumers interact with digital platforms, search engines, and social networks is essential for modern marketing strategies. By exploring these aspects, students can grasp the complexity of consumer behavior and its significance in marketing and business strategy. For more videos on commerce subjects, please subscribe to GN Virtual Classes channel. Have a nice day.